Are you a content or digital marketer? You must set out your social media marketing plan if you are. It is impossible to deny that social media is growing. It's changed the way we interact with one another and connect with others, and it is quickly gaining ground globally. Building awareness, improving conversion, creating demand, and developing customer advocacy are all important components of social marketing when we utilize social media as marketers. Many social media marketers, however, lack a practical strategy that outlines why they are utilizing social media and what they want to achieve. This video will discuss some of the social media marketing strategies that will work the best in 2023. Number 7. Artificial intelligence and chatbots. Over time, chatbots have found their way into the marketing plans and are now among the applications of AI that are expanding the quickest. Currently, they can meet the demands of clients by offering them initial services, improving user experience, and automating the job and assistance. 47% of poll participants said that they have purchased products from a chatbot. This group of people exemplifies how widely social media platforms have adopted chatbots. These chatbots may be integrated with several platforms like Facebook Messenger, Twitter Direct Messages, etc. This will guarantee a consistent presence across all of your social media channels. Number 6. Vertical videos and social TV. Social televisions and vertical videos are the most current innovations in social media. The most well-known app in this group is Instagram TV or IGTV, where you can create channels and upload lengthier films. Similar categories of social television include Snap Originals and YouTube TV. As images and videos are more persuasive than words, it encourages more companies to become broadcasters. As a result, social televisions are now recognized as a platform for advertising and building a clientele, much like traditional TVs, with niche channels customized to your preferences. In addition to social TVs, Instagram's recently introduced Instagram Reels function is quickly expanding its user base across all social media platforms. This small video sharing feature of Instagram is an exciting way to connect with customers and thereby increasing customer engagement towards the brand. Number 5. Vogue of live streaming. About 80% of viewers favor live videos over blog entries or social media updates. The popularity of live broadcasting on Facebook and Instagram has presented marketers with a significant chance to utilize it to their advantage. Moreover, live streaming helps you establish your authenticity, since it fosters customer loyalty and confidence in the company. The audience realizes that only true material allows genuine mistakes, thus risks like technological issues must be addressed early on. Nowadays, businesses employ live streaming as one of their most successful social media video marketing strategies. The increase in live streaming shows people's preference for videos and their need to be part of the event. It is made feasible through live streaming. It is more participatory and engrossing. They broaden the concept of content personalization. Also, you may connect live with a larger audience with only one click. Number 4. Enthusiasm of your loyal customers as an asset. The truth is that no one can promote your brand as effectively as your devoted customers do. They increase awareness of your brand, which makes it ubiquitous. Social media platforms give these devoted clients the ideal setting to serve as brand ambassadors, helping the firms in gaining organic followers. You may ask these clients for further input by asking them to post it on your social media profiles so it can be heavily included in your marketing strategies. Also, you may increase their excitement by giving them reasonable discounts and coupon codes that will encourage them to promote your company on other platforms. Number 3. Social walls, the ideal platform to showcase UGC. A social wall is a tool for collecting and displaying social media feeds. These feeds come from social networking websites including Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and others. It allows you to gather everything in one location and engage in real-time conversation with website visitors or event attendees who are interested in your material. The marketing superstars of the next age and social media walls may take your company to new heights in the twinkling of an eye. At any event or website, they let you present user-generated material to a broad audience. As everyone wants to be highlighted on the audience's wall of fame during an event, it raises user engagement to an absurdly high degree. It is the ideal technique for increasing word-of-mouth advertising and making your event a topic of conversation for days. A social wall incorporated on a website is a terrific concept to enhance user engagement, dwell time, click-through rates, and conversion rates in addition to events. Many tools such as hashtags, Instagram tagged posts, Instagram stories, Facebook albums, Facebook posts, Facebook mentions, Twitter mentions, accounts, etc. can be used to form social walls. With a social aggregator like Tagbox, it is now simpler than ever to show live hashtag feeds or hashtag campaign on any sort of screen. Number 2. User-generated content. The most real and useful content is user-generated content, which is material produced by actual customers of a company. Because 92% of people prefer recommendations from friends and family over all other types of promotion, it is the most effective form of social media marketing. Due to the constant posting of fascinating information on social media, UGC is now more popular than ever. So it is a free material that is ready to be used by brands. Potential consumers' purchasing decisions are often influenced by the stories, photos, and other content that existing customers share about your company on social media. Using user-generated content, or UGC, in your social media marketing plan gives your business a personal touch and humanizes it so that buyers can relate to it. To reap the benefits of UGC in their marketing strategies, many large and small firms have started doing so. UGC is a key component of your brand's reputation management strategy since it improves the perception of your brand, which increases customer trust in your company. Consumers are wise. They are aware of who is acting sincerely and who is not. UGC aids in providing your geniusness by giving any prospective buyer social proof of your product's quality from those who have already used it. Number 1. Engagement is now more important than ever. Driving potential user engagement with your brand on social media is essential for your business to grow, as social media justifiably establishes itself as the next marketing stop for all businesses, large or small. It's critical to realize that fascinating, relevant content is the only way to survive in the fierce competition, at a time when organic reach is more difficult than ever. There is no fast route to generating genuine engagement, since algorithms are continually upgraded and get better over time. It's no longer sufficient to just ask people to like, comment, and share your material. To increase meaningful connection with your content on social media platforms, consider the following suggestions. Don't just talk about your brand all the time. Speak about your subject as well. Avoid being a pretentious brand that just promotes itself. Instead, let others take the initiative and participate by contributing insightful details on the most recent developments in the sector. Collect as much user-generated content as you can, and let your customers speak for your company. This makes you appear to be both a valued and useful person. Share stuff created by others as well. Don't be afraid to post someone else's improvement on an answer on your social media feed, if they have one. This presents you as a company that is more committed to providing clients with a clear answer, whether that solution is provided by you or someone else. This also allows you to keep your content diversified and prevent it from becoming boring. This keeps the customers interested in your brand. Engage influencers such as bloggers and social media users. Let your material appear in these influencers' feeds. The more people who view it, the greater the potential for engagement. In exchange for their cooperation, you may provide the influencers with rewards or gifts. A fantastic strategy to enhance social media engagement is to think about guest posting as well. Actively responding to your customers' posts and queries will make them feel appreciated and involved. Also, this makes them more devoted to your brand. To find out who and where is referencing your company on social media, use listening tools. React appropriately. Thank you for watching our video on the top 7 social media marketing strategies for 2023. We hope you found these tips and tactics helpful in your social media marketing efforts. Remember, social media is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.